Hey guys, good day, full tank motovlog here. Welcome to my motovlog number 5. And today, we're going to Apex Garage, and that is the new HJC Helmets flagship store in Metro Manila, which is located at 14 Scout Magbanwa Street in Quezon City. Tara, samahan nyo naman ako. Let's go! If you are looking for the new ARPO-1 Brad Binder replica helmet and Fabio Quartararo Lehman Special helmet, merong display niyan sa Apex Garage. Also yung F71 Bumblebee Edition, meron din yan sa kanila. Yung personal kong gusto na makita is yung ARPA 60 Adventure Helmet. FYI guys, HJC ARPA 60 is the test winner of the 2025 Motorrad Adventure Helmet Test, conducted by the largest German language motorcycle magazine. So I'm looking forward na makita ko to in person and also matry na rin tong helmet na to. And we're here. Tara, let's go inside and do a walk around sa store. Upon entering, you will be greeted by a well-lighted front desk. Ito na din yung magsisilbing cashier nila, and also they have a coffee machine for your coffee cravings. Let's start sa left side. Nandito naka-display yung V90, C10, ARPA 31, ARPA 71, and ARPA 1 yung nasa dulo. Ito yung V10 helmet display nila. Ito naman yung different ARPA helmets on color white, and sa gitna yung ARPA 60. Dito sa section na to, mga helmet accessories yung mga yan. Madami yan. Then yung sa tapat niyan, yan yung display ng I-80 model, which is awarded as Best Buy for Modular Adventure Touring Helmet by Motorrad. Next to accessories is yung kanilang merchandise such as quick dry shirts and long sleeves, pati na rin mga t-shirts. This one is the ARPA 12 section. Almost complete ang kanilang ARPA 12 selection dito. Itong F71 Bumblebee, the ARPA 60, then yung ARPA 1 Brad Binder replica helmet, and yung ARPA 1 ni Fabio Quartararo Lehman Special. And dito naman is yung F71 nila and also yung F100 na models ng helmet. Balikan natin tong F71 Bumblebee Edition. Sa first look niya talagang makikita mo kagad na magpapap yung pagka-Bumblebee niya, and also nakatulong yung may tint sa kanyang windshield, and by the feel of it, matte ang finish nitong helmet na to. Then dito naman tayo sa ARPA 1 na Fabio Quartararo Lehman Special. Glossy naman ang feel nito, at alam mong talagang build by MotoGP and World SBK race tong mga helmet na to. Itong ARPA 60, this is my personal favorite sa nilabas ni ARPA. Since ito yung nakakuha ng magandang review from Motorrad magazine, gusto ko rin tong matry if given a chance. FYI guys, I was here April 14, and as per Apex Garage, F71 Bumblebee, ARPA 1 Lehman Special, ARPA 1 Brad Binder replica helmet, and ARPA 60 is not yet available for selling since wala pa silang mga price. They will announce it na lang sa Apex Garage and HJC Philippines Facebook page once available na yung mga price nito. Ito naman guys yung color white na ARPA 60, which for me ang pinakamagandang solid color sa lineup ng ARPA 60. Ito naman yung part sa store nila na nakalagay yung mga helmets based sa timeline ng achievements ng HJC helmets. Then ito yung kanilang ARPA 1 section. Hanggang dito na lang muna guys. Salamat sa pagsama. And if you like this kind of content, please follow my Facebook page and also subscribe na din kayo sa YouTube channel ko, Full Tank Motovlog. Enjoy the ride, stay safe, and ride smart. Bye for now.